See, we don't look at instructions, we look at pictures. Alright, it is finally Monday and we're gonna go get that shielding gas. Got Sugar Boo Buttercup over here giving me the ride. She's my chauffeur today. Alright, we got the shield gas. Right now I'm gonna take Gummy Bear over here out to get some Mexican. Right? Just got back, also stopped at Harbor Freight. I grabbed me a welding cart because the one I got can't hold a bottle. So I did buy the cheapest one they had, which was only, I think it was 37 bucks. I had a 20% off coupon. You know how that works out. So here it is. Bada boom in the box. It does say 100-pound capacity welding cart. So I just brought my scale down from upstairs. So we're gonna weigh the machine and the bottle. All right, so first we're gonna weigh the bottle. So that is 77.8. And the machine weighs 56. So yeah, it's gonna be a little bit overweight, but I'm gonna slap it together anyway, put it on there and see how she holds up. I mean, I seen a couple of reviews on the website. I mean, again, the good reviews outweigh the bad reviews by far, but I want to check personally. So yeah, I'm gonna slap this thing together and yeah, see how it holds up. This is the top pan where the welder's supposed to sit on. Let me see if my welder actually fits in it. Oh yeah, fits perfect. So regardless, I think I can modify it. Even if it is weak, I'll put some angle iron in there or something. I'll get it to work. See, we don't look at instructions, we look at pictures. Got it all together. Check it out. There she is. All right. So first, we're gonna throw the welder on the top of this and see how the mobility is with just the welder. And that don't look too bad. That looks perfect. It looks good. I mean, I'm liking it so far. Definitely. Oh, we got a visitor.
What up?
This is Davey.
What up?
You're gonna be on my YouTube channel now, man. What do you want to say to the YouTube people?
Get out and make your own money, because if you go and work for anybody else, you're getting...
There you go. You heard it from the man. All right, back at it. Yesterday, my buddy Davey stopped by. Yeah, I was having a truck problem, so he wanted me to go look at it. I took a look at it. Ended up being the AC compressor on his pickup truck. He wants me to fix it. So, yeah, that might be an upcoming video. Yeah, I kind of cut the video off yesterday when he showed up. I mean, I probably should have taped, you know, the diagnosis of what was going on, but I am new at making YouTube videos, so, you know, it's a work in progress. You know, it probably would have been a little, you know, some good content or whatnot, but whatever. back to what we were doing yesterday. The welding cart. Alright, so already I'm looking at this and I can tell this bottle, if it's pushed up against here, it's gonna hit here. So, let's see. Alright, so yeah. So now if I put the chain around here, it's going to be pushing up against the welder. So my plan, I was looking at it yesterday, is to make a bracket like a regular welder has to hold the bottle to loop the chain around. Like this one. Something like this one on here that extends out, you know, maybe not as heavy duty, but you know, something that'll work. Yeah, I ain't got much sheet metal laying around, just, you know, a bunch of tube and pipe, stuff like that. But it'd be awesome if I can find a piece. Oh, I got one. Yeah, see, the little scrap pile is gonna come in handy right now. Heck yeah. I was just thinking about it. Where is it? There it is. This should be perfect. Cut a piece of that and mount it on there. I love repurposing stuff. Hell yeah. Alright, that should work. It's either that or the lid to this washing machine. One of the two. The lid seems a little bit thicker. But we're gonna go here probably with this thing. You know what? I think I am gonna use this lid to this washing machine.